guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you on Android you can clear app cache and data, but can you do the same on iPhone? If your iPhone storage is full or app are not working properly, you might be looking for a clear cache or clear data option just like Android phone. In this video I will show you whether it's actually possible on iPhone and the exact method you can use instead. Okay, on iPhone you need to follow this method. Open your iPhone settings like this. In the iPhone settings, go to journal, and then here you need to open iPhone storage. Okay, there is no clear cache or clear data button in the iPhone, so the answer is you cannot directly clear app data on iPhone like Android. So in the iPhone storage settings, you need to open your particular app, for example Facebook, and here you can offload the app. So this will free storage used by app but keep its document and data, and then you can go back and you can do with this all app. So you cannot directly clear app data on iPhone like Android. iPhone handle cache differently, but here are some other working methods. So for example, if you want to clear your cache of your app, so scroll down and find out apps. So I will open Safari, open it, scroll down. At the end here you can get the option clear history and website data. You can easily able to delete here cache from this. As you can see guys, the same option is not showing for other app, only it was showing for Safari web browser only. If you want the same effect as clear data on Android, so you can use this method. So you need to tap and hold on your particular app like this, and then from here you need to delete your app. That's it. Reinstall from the app store once again. This completely reset the app, so just like Android clear data option. Now you know the truth, iPhone does not offer Android style control, but you can still achieve the same result on iPhone by following this method. If this video helped you out, hit the like and subscribe for more simple tech guide.